Tired of spending hours cleaning your home? Imagine if you could have spotless floors without lifting a finger. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Roborock Q5 Max Plus, a high-end robot vacuum that promises powerful suction, automatic emptying, and smart navigation. But does it really live up to the hype? Or is it just another overpriced gadget? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus has a sleek, modern design. But what really matters is what's inside. It's powered by an impressive 5,500 Pascal suction motor, strong enough to pull out deep dirt, pet hair, and even stubborn debris from carpets and hard floors. Plus, it features dual rubber brushes that help prevent hair from getting tangled, a huge advantage over standard bristle brushes. Here's where the Q5 Max Plus really stands out: the auto-empty dock. The vacuum's internal dustbin holds 770 milliliters of dirt. But instead of you having to empty it every day, it automatically empties into a 2.5-liter sealed bag at its charging station. That means weeks, yes, weeks, without having to touch the dustbin. And let's be honest, no one likes dealing with a full dustbin after a cleaning cycle. Now, let's talk intelligence. The Q5 Max Plus uses LiDAR-powered 3D mapping, allowing it to scan your home and create precise cleaning routes. No more random bumping into furniture or getting stuck in corners. And the best part? You're in control. Through the Roborock app, you can set cleaning schedules, mark no-go zones, or even create multi-floor maps if you have a 2-story home. It's also fully compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri, so you can control it with simple voice commands. So, is the Roborock Q5 Max Plus the perfect robot vacuum for you? If you want strong suction, long battery life, up to 4 hours per charge, automatic emptying, and smart navigation, this is one of the best options available today. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that also mops, you might want to check out other models. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, I've linked one of the best deals in the description below. Prices change often, so if you're interested, don't wait too long. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ShopSmart for more honest product reviews. Now tell me in the comments, what feature impressed you the most?